This morning is a gardening day. I will plant some flowers in the front yard. Oh, there are tiny birds. Lots of tiny birds. They eat the tiny insects in the garden. So these are the flowers that we got from the nursery. I will probably... Oh, look at that. Want to see the birds that are like chirping? This one, you see? That one. A lot of them actually. This one, see? See that? Oh, there's more. There's another one. Oh, there you go. This one is really close. See? If there are aphids in the plant, they eat them. Those are really tiny like birds. They come in like flock. See them? So today I'm going to plant some flowers in the front yard. Probably, which one should we plant? I have this one. 1 second, I need to... This is the box for the... I'm going to put this in the trash. On this box, I am planting this one. This is salvia, and then the zinnias, and then also this one, the chrysanthemum. So there will be like layers. So this one is tall, the other ones are medium height, and then the chrysanthemum would be like smaller. Here, and then 3 zinnias. This orange one, very pretty, right? It's really nice when they have like there's like a layer of like vegetation plus layer of colors too, like, and plus a burst of colors. Here you go. So we have zinnias, and then the purple one is so cute, and then the chrysanthemum. Look at that one on the kale. You see? So cute. There are a lot of them here in the garden right now. Probably maybe 20 of them, or probably more. This one, oh, this is a hummingbird. 1 second. Hello, hummingbird. This is our hummingbird. This is an easy way to garden with the raised bed. And here I'll plant this one. This is chamomile. And then chamomile, and then I'll try mint. Let's plant mint here. So we can plant 8 here. This is divided. But the lily is so beautiful. I'll get a mint from here and move to the raised bed. I'll put the link down below for this raised bed if you're interested in growing herbs on a similar like raised bed. This was given to me by Yahi Tech. Here's the mint. Mint, by the way, is very invasive. Let's plant the mint here. I hope they grow. And here, what should we plant here? Maybe more this. The chrysanthemum. So we can make tea. Or chamomile, which one? We have the chamomile there, and then we have, so we have 3 chrysanthemum here, 2 parsley, mint, and then thyme. So those are the plants. Now let's water this. If you are looking for a hose, check this out. This was given to me by Giraffe Tools. This is a super awesome hose reel. We have the fingers here. Before we go to the front yard, I'll show you the roses here. Look at the peach roses. Here's one up close. I really love the color. Not as dark as orange and then not as light as peach. Kind of like in between those 2 colors. How many are there? 1. There's 1 more there. 2, 3, 4. Like I'll count. There are 14 gorgeous roses here from this like rose bush. And a bunch of roses here. Pink roses, beautiful. Still can't decide which one to plant in front. Maybe from here. I'll get some from here and here. Prune the like dead flowers. Like the snapdragons, I think they have like tiny sprouts growing, or they are probably tiny flowers. Snapdragons are more of annual, but they grow perennial here in Los Angeles. These are the plants that I'm planting. I have petunias. So let's plant this pink one. Let's plant the colorful ones. This is pink. A different color here. Maybe the purple. I don't like this purple. I'm not really a fan of this like purple color. And then 1 more. So I'll plant 3 in here. 3 different colors. The only issue with petunias is they are prone to like insect attacks. You see a lot of like tiny caterpillars in them. other ones. Maybe the white one. Another pink one here. I'm adding some soil here. And then I'll water them. We have bougainvilleas here. Look at the bougainvillea. So vivid. Then we have poppies over there. Those are California poppies. Look at the different colors. This is light, like yellow, orange. There is like cream over there. See? And this one is the prettiest. It's like kind of like mauve at the bottom, and then the rest are just like orange. See? Beautiful. Look at the two flowers here, the orange and the purple. Gorgeous. Here's what I'm making for lunch. This is soup with squid balls, fish balls, and shrimp balls, and then glass noodles and soya wada, and I'm adding bok choy. Adding the bok choy. Oops, one got away. There you go. So this is lunch. Very easy to make, and a one pot like dish. There you go. Oh my gosh. There you go. Doesn't want to go to the bowl. Wants to go back to the pot. And here's our lunch. Let's eat. We're having dinner here in our patio. We have